In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create DotNetNuke skins and containers using the wizards that are available to us from DotNetNuke in the Visual Studio development environment. So we're using Visual Studio 2008. I've already installed DotNetNuke as a project into my Visual Studio. That's what all this is. And what we're going to do is we're going to go create a new skin. So just go in here, right-click the project, and choose Add New Item. And this brings up, this is now the DotNetNuke skin is right here. That's the template for it. Notice that if we switch to C#, that wizard doesn't show up. It's expecting to be a VB project. So just set it up like that. Skin name, we're going to call this, I'm going to call it My Skin here. And hit Add. And just go through and say yes for all those. Now the next thing that shows up once we're done is it's going to tell us to rename skin name to My Skin. So let's go ahead and do that. We go in here, we've got skin name here and skin name here. Let's go ahead and call that My Skin. Normally those would be, something a little bit more clever. A lot of people name their skins after things. So we're going to call this just My Skin here. Now the next thing that we want to do, as I've already stated in the post that you can refer to, if you're looking at this on YouTube, just click the link in the description. It'll take you to the post. I don't believe in using HTML files and XML file sets for my controls, for my containers and skins. So we're going to delete these. We don't really need these in this project. So just right click and choose delete here. And then the same thing with the skin. Delete the My Skin HTML and the skin XML. We won't be needing those anymore either. Now the JPEGs, we won't really need those. We'll probably be replacing those later on, but we'll leave them for now. That's fine. Now, the next thing we want to do is we need to create an ASCX file because that's the way I do my skin and container development. So we're going to go right-click My Skin and Add New Item, and we're going to go in and put a web user control in and call it. Let me just call it skin. This is fine. We'll leave it at ASCX, and we're not going to use the code behind this. We're just going to put everything in the same file. The reason for that is DotNetNuke has its own code behind for this file, and it's a true code behind. We're going to fix that up in just a minute. Go back up here to containers, and we'll do the same thing here. Call this container. Right now, I've already stated that we're going to fix this up, and what we're going to do, the easiest way to do this is just go up here to the default directory where DotNetNuke's already got some skins, and we'll just go into the skin directory here and pull up an existing skin and just grab that top header and copy that to the clipboard, and then we'll come back down here to our skin. And just paste that in. And it's the admin skins. It's got the code behind stuff. That's all we need right now for that. And then we're going to do the same thing for the containers. So we go up here to the containers that have been created by DotNetNuke. And just grab one of these ACX files. Copy that to the clipboard, and then come back down here to our container. And paste that in. And that'll get you all set, ready to go. And then next time we discuss skins and containers, we'll show you how to actually start editing. That's the worst of it, getting it set up. The rest of it's going to feel a lot more like regular web development.